Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Rednote app. Now, first, when you open the application, you will find here the For You section in the Explore. You can also click on the Follow right here in order to see all the content from the people that you are following, or click on Nearby to see some content from people nearby you. But here in my case, I do not actually want to allow it. And now here, as you can see, I'm actually living in Egypt. So that's why they are giving me some buildings in Egypt. And now when you click on this search bar, you can also search for any content that you need, but you should search for it in Chinese, or you can simply search by adding a photo, but you should give the app the permission. Now let's discover the other options down below right here. When you click on this Me button, you will get to this main profile. This is your profile. You can add a picture, change your name, and here you will find the posts and the collects, likes, etc. You can also share your profile by clicking on this button on the top right corner. If you want to share your profile to someone in order to follow you, you can also click on this scan QR code in order to scan the QR code, let's say on your browser or laptop. And then when you click on this gear icon, it will show you all the options and the settings. You can go to account security, change the password, or change the mobile bound to the email. In my case, I do not have one. You can also cancel your account or delete it. And you can go to general settings, change the language, change the font size, change the dark mode. You can also play video silently after turning it on by activating this option right here. And there are many other options that you can actually use. You can also activate or deactivate your history. And now let's go back. You can clear the cache, add widget, talk to the support, etc. Now, when you click on messages right here you will find all the people that you can message and any messages between you and them. And when you click on video, it will jump you directly to this page. It's just like TikTok. You can now scroll down to see more and more videos like so. And when you click on home, you will be able to see the videos that I have shown you in the beginning. Now, when you click on this plus sign, you will be able to upload anything from your own content. Let's say that I'm going to upload this thing right here. Then click on next. I'm just going to save this one right here. You can add stickers, add text like this. You can add text from here. You can also crop the photo itself like this. Then click on this sign right here, and you can also add some effects. I'm gonna add this effect for example and see till it apply. Then click on this sign, then click on next, and after that it will be uploaded. You can add a title, add text, etc. But here in my case, I'll just click on post, and now here as you can see, you'll have to add your mobile number. You can simply click on this area right here in order to choose the code of your country. You can search for the code just right here. I'm living in Egypt, so I'm gonna choose the code for Egypt, and you may find out that all these languages or all these countries are in Chinese. So you'll have to search for the country number of yours. After that, you can simply enter the phone number of yours. They'll get you a verification code. You just have to enter it and you will be able to post any videos. Now, when you click on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner, it will also show you some of the settings like the orders, cart, drafts. If you have a post drafted like this one right here, you can also delete by clicking on this pen icon, then click on confirm. And you can also click on discover friends in order to see more and more people that you can actually be friend with. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.